I am excited to announce to you today that Cozy Homes Photography just got bigger and better. I asked myself a while ago, how do I make Cozy Homes Photography better for you as the realtor? The answer was simple. I needed to offer you more. To do this, I have hired Taylor James. He is a wonderful, experienced photographer, videographer, and a drone pilot. This will allow us to not only provide you with beautiful photos, but also video walkthroughs and aerial work. Meet Taylor James and get a little taste of what we can do.
How's it going? This is Taylor James. I am new to the team here with Cozy Homes Photography. I'm really excited to work alongside Haley, as well as get to know all of you who are trying to list your homes. A little bit about myself. I've been born and raised here in Idaho Falls, so I know this area, as well as the surrounding areas. I love to travel. I love doing photography. My wife and I love to go and sightsee different locations. Some of the great things that I am really excited to bring onto this team are going to be videography. With that being said, I am going to be bringing on aerial videography as well as photography. Also, walkthroughs. If you have any questions with these, please give us a call or contact us and we can answer any questions you may have.
I am so excited to have Taylor on board here with me at Cozy Homes Photography and truly believe that together with these services, we can set you apart from your competition. So book online, give us a call, and take your marketing to the next level.